Hello, everyone. Welcome to week number 4, the midway point in our term for Science 200. You are still working on your topics this week to help you examine how science actually works. And so let's get started. So last week you learned about finding sources for your particular topic, whether it's electric vehicles, ocean acidification, whatever it is, and you gathered 3 good sources, let's hope, credible and relevant sources to help you understand your topic and to help you research your topic. And you discussed in the discussion board what the challenges were in trying to read anything that has to do with scientific sources, because there are some challenges. So we looked at that last week. This week is a continuation of your project. So read through chapter 4. The exercises in chapter 4 have to do with the water problem that happened in Flint, Michigan, where lead leached into the water supply, and especially children were devastatingly affected by all of the extra lead that leached into the water, and what's happening now and how it was reported on, etc. So do read through chapter 4, work through those exercises, and the whole point of this week is for you to determine who your audience is. Who is it that you will be presenting this information to? So I like to think of it this way. I've made presentations to every age group you can possibly imagine, from preschoolers. So I did science experiments with preschoolers, all the way up to my college students, week after week after week after year after decade. Yeah. So them all the way to people in a nursing home. So I have done every age. I have presented before people who didn't know anything about my topic to experts in the topic, hundreds of colleagues. So your audience is tremendously important because that determines the particular level of understanding that your audience has and how you need to present your information. Are you going to use all the jargon that you know, that you have learned about, if you're presenting to a second grade class? No, you can't do that. They don't know the basics, so you have to explain the basics to them about a topic. Are you explaining something to a bunch of scientists who are developing the latest batteries to be put into electric vehicles? Do you have to go through the basic jargon with them? Of course not. So you have to determine your audience and then figure out how you're going to go about explaining your ideas, your findings, your topic to that particular audience. So that's what you're going to be working on this week. Check your feedback so that you can correct things as we go. Every week I'm grading the week before, and so you need to do revisions all along so that at the end you have a really good presentation. This week you're turning in your rough draft through Brightspace, of course. But the main point this week is to determine your audience and then how you're going to go about speaking to that audience through your presentation. There are no discussion board postings this week. I think the next one's in week 6. So be aware of that, but they will be coming up again. Okay? And with that being said, there's my name, there's my email address if you need me, m.sigmon@snhu.edu. Tip of the week, if you get stumped, if you're having trouble, please ask me for help. That's what I'm here for, to help you get over the humps that you need to when you get stuck, when you are confused, when you have questions. Please let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here to clarify. I'm here to help you through whatever your issues are or problems so that you can get through this term. All right, so please do email me if you need anything. With that being said, I hope that you have a wonderful week.